For years, the Toyota Sequoia has been the full-size SUV we wanted to love, the brute strength, the hybrid efficiency, the legendary reliability. But there was always a catch, one major flaw that held it back from true greatness. That awkwardly high, non-folding third row. Well, folks, buckle up, because for 2026, Toyota just dropped the biggest, most necessary update we've seen yet. The Sequoia is finally growing up, and the upgrades are so significant, they're going to change how you view this entire segment. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2026 Toyota Sequoia. Now, you might be thinking, it just got redesigned, what could change so soon? The answer is simple: Toyota is listening. They saw the outcry, they read the reviews, and they are finally addressing the critical issues that kept the Sequoia from dethroning rivals like the Chevy Tahoe and the Ford Expedition. The 2026 model isn't just a minor refresh, it's an evolution focused entirely on utility, comfort, and premium feel. We're talking game-changing improvements, especially with that third row, but also a massive leap in interior quality. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get into the huge upgrades coming to the new Sequoia. Let's start with the feature that warrants the all caps in the title, the power folding third row. This isn't just about making the seats disappear. It's about fixing the Sequoia's biggest usability headache. In the current generation, the third-row bench seat was fixed and bulky, never truly folding flat into the floor because the hybrid battery pack lived underneath. This resulted in an annoyingly high, uneven load floor, severely compromising the vehicle's maximum cargo capacity and making it a nightmare to load large, flat items. For 2026, sources confirm Toyota has smartly re-engineered the packaging of the iForce Max hybrid system and the rear structure. The result? A new, lighter, and more efficient power folding bench that retracts fully flat into the floor. This single change not only maximizes usable cargo volume, but it fundamentally transforms the Sequoia into the utility vehicle it was always meant to be. The new system is expected to be standard on mid to high trims like the Limited and Platinum, and will feature switches both in the rear pillar and on the infotainment screen. Finally, you can utilize the full cavernous space of your full-size SUV without needing to wrestle with awkward floor panels. This is the definition of a huge upgrade, correcting the one major engineering compromise of the third generation. Moving inside, the next big complaint Toyota is tackling is the feel of the cabin. While functional, many felt the current Sequoia's interior, even in top trims, didn't quite justify the price tag compared to the plush interiors offered by competitors. That changes now with a major infusion of premium materials. The leather and more part of the update is all about refinement. We're expecting a higher grade, semi-aniline leather on the Platinum and Capstone trims, replacing the slightly rougher synthetic materials used previously. Look for intricate contrast stitching on the doors, dashboard, and center console. This isn't just about the seating surfaces, either. Toyota is elevating the touchpoints. Think Rio wood trim replacing the glossy plastic inserts, especially on the top-tier capstone, giving it a much-needed luxury injection. We anticipate new, available interior color palettes as well. Rumors point to a stunning deep marine blue option or a richer saddle tan, moving beyond the safe, standard black and gray. This focus on material quality transforms the Sequoia from a rugged, capable SUV into a genuine luxury family hauler, finally delivering the premium environment that buyers in this segment demand at a six-figure price point. But the upgrades aren't just cosmetic. The 2026 Sequoia is also getting a tech boost. While the massive 14-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia System is already a great unit, Toyota is making improvements to the user interface and connectivity. Expect faster processing speeds and a more seamless integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. More importantly, look for advancements in driver assistance. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite will be even more comprehensive. We might see the introduction of an advanced hands-free driving capability, perhaps a limited traffic jam assist feature, bringing it up to par with systems like GM's Super Cruise or Ford's Blue Cruise, though Toyota typically takes a more cautious approach. Another key feature: improved instrumentation. The standard gauge cluster is now fully digital across all trims, offering more customization for drivers to view navigation, safety alerts, and hybrid power flow information directly in their line of sight. These small, constant interactions are where a car truly feels modern, and the 2026 model is ensuring the driver's seat feels just as premium and high-tech as the passenger areas. Let's talk about the more in leather and more. Mechanically, the powerful iForce Max Hybrid Twin-Turbo V6 is expected to carry over, delivering that great 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. However, Toyota has fine-tuned the chassis and suspension. Many early owners noted that the Sequoia, while capable, felt a little stiff and truck-like on the road. For 2026, Toyota is introducing an updated calibration for the available Adaptive Variable Suspension, or AVS, and the load-leveling rear air suspension. This means a noticeably smoother ride in comfort mode and tighter body control when you dial it up to sport, offering a better balance between rugged capability and daily commuting comfort. Finally, there's the trim hierarchy. We might see a new, ultra-premium Capstone Plus package, which would bundle every possible luxury and tech feature, perhaps even exclusive 24-inch wheel options and a slightly revised front fascia with bespoke grille treatments to better differentiate it from the limited and platinum trims. Or, alternatively, look for the rumored full Trailhunter trim, which would offer factory-backed overland readiness, complete with specific suspension tuning, skid plates, and unique body cladding, perfect for those who actually take their full-size SUV off the beaten path. So, what will all these monumental upgrades cost you? Given the extent of the re-engineering, especially for that power-folding third row, we anticipate a modest price bump across the board. The 2026 Sequoia will likely start closer to the $65,000 mark for the entry-level SR5 trim, with the fully loaded capstone cresting well over $85,000. It's an investment, but now it's one that truly feels justified by the level of luxury and utility you are receiving. We expect the 2026 Toyota Sequoia to begin arriving at dealerships by the late summer or early fall of 2025. This updated Sequoia is a genuine threat. By solving the cargo issue and massively elevating the interior quality, Toyota has addressed every major flaw, making it a truly compelling option in the full-size segment. What do you think of these upgrades? Is the power-folding third row enough to make you finally choose the Sequoia over a Tahoe or an Expedition? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss our full review when this beast hits the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.